Hello everybody. So Robert recently uploaded a video about the safety heater. So in basic, this safety heater is some sort of heater which the heater flame can be turned off really easily. So for example, if this kind of heater will drop to the floor, the impact will separate the burning and the fuel piece of the heater, and the flame will be turned off immediately. So guys, for me this design is really interesting, and for this reason I will do this heater by myself. And of course in the end I will also try this safety feature of the heater. Now I will make some mini safety heater, and for the fuel container I will use this housing from this candle. So this is some aluminum housing, and this aluminum housing I will fill with this Oasis foam. So this Oasis foam will hold the fuel, in my case the ethanol, in place. So this will be the fuel tank of the heater. So the construction of this heater is really easy. And now I have this, how to say, this fuel tank. This one I will fill with the ethanol. This will be enough. And now on the top I will put some stainless steel mesh. So you can see I already tried to make this heater. Really easy design. And you can see that I'm not able to turn on this heater like so, because Robert used some tiny piece of paper, and the same I will do by myself. And the heater starts to burn. Now I put this heater on this brick, and now I will just throw down this heater. And now I will replace this stainless steel. So instead of using this piece of stainless steel, I will use something like this. Okay. Really awesome. And let's see what will happen if I drop this heater. So this is my fast made burning side of the heater. Okay, now I will try one more time. And now for the last time I will drop this heater. Really nice. And now I will drop this heater without this burning piece. And you have a problem. Okay, I think that this will be enough playing with the fire. And yeah, Rob, really awesome heater. So guys, that's it for now, and we see us in the next video. Bye.